Hi, welcome to RockMill's chip repair procedure. Start by taking some of the cement powder and then mixing it with a small amount of tap water. Mix thoroughly until you have a well-blended paste. Now, you need to clean the chip out first and then work that paste right into all of the little nooks and crannies. So kind of just work it back and forth, back and forth, back and forth until you feel like it's nicely adhered to the inside. Then build up a mound of paste that's slightly higher than the surface of the concrete. Then let the paste cure and dry overnight. Now take the back of one of the mixing spatulas and using its edge, scrape away any excess material so that you're left with a flat surface. Then you can use the abrasive pad to very gently clean up any excess paste. The abrasive pad will dull or mar the surface, so you have to be very gentle with it. Once you've flattened it off, take the 50-50 water PS1 mix, which is a sealer, and shake well first. Then, using the cotton swabs, dab just a very small amount of sealer right onto the top of the repair area. You should saturate the whole repair area with the sealer. And then try to clean off any excess sealer that goes onto the surrounding countertop. Wait 1 day for the sealer to cure. Now, you have to inspect the repair because the paste shrinks as it cures. So if you had a quite deep chip, then you may now be left with a depression where the repair is. So what you have to do in that case is actually repeat all of the previous steps so that you get yet another layer of paste to create a nice flush flat surface. So inspect, check and repeat if necessary. Okay, so now you have a repair area with 1 layer of sealer on it, and you may have actually gone through that twice, but you'll need to do another layer of sealer so that there's 2 layers of sealer on the top surface. So just using the same procedure as before, dab a small amount of sealer onto that surface, saturate it, and then leave it to cure for 24 hours. Okay, now you've done the second round of sealing, you can use the grey pad again to just very gently and carefully clean up the surface. And now it is at this point that you can use your judgment. If you're happy with the repair, you can leave it as is. However, if you feel like the repair is not dark enough, that it needs to be slightly darker to match the surrounding concrete, then you can go ahead and use the pigmented sealer. So this is like the sealer you used before, but it has a small amount of black pigment in it. So mix that up nice and thoroughly. Then again, just like with the sealer procedure, you can use a cotton swab to just dab a small amount of this onto the surface. And you can repeat this procedure as many times as you like until you feel like you've gotten the colors to match as close as possible. And please do remember that you can never get it perfect. That's it. Thanks for watching.